Russia to modernize its nuclear force by 2023, adding more multi-warhead nukes. Russia strengthens its strategic nuclear force in 2023 with further deployment of multi-warhead nuclear missiles and further modernization of its long-range strategic bomber division, the Russian Ministry of Defense announced this week. The Russian military's Strategic Rocket Forces branch will complete the replacement of the older Topol-M missile system with the RS-24 Yars among its mobile grouping, the ministry said. The Yars mobile ground missile system is an independently targetable reentry vehicle, MIRV, containing multiple thermonuclear warheads, each of which can hit a different target. The Ministry of Defense also said on Monday that the main task of the Long-Range Aviation (ADD) division, which is tasked with Russia's nuclear-capable strategic bombers, is to train, service, modernize and adopt new equipment while taking part in aviation. According to Interfax, Commander Ad Lieutenant General Sergei Kobylash said last Monday that some of the new equipment would include modernized strategic nuclear bombers and the development and adoption of new hypersonic missiles. In 2021, Kobylash told Interfax that MiG-31 fighter jets armed with nuclear-capable Kinzhal hypersonic missiles will enter his division. A Kinzhal with a conventional warhead was reportedly used during the Russian invasion, and hypersonic missile-capable MiG-31s have been stationed in Belarus and Kaliningrad during military campaigns.